Alright, showing on your screen is Quantum Wallet, a crypto wallet to store your digital assets. Firstly, in this video, you'll be getting a 3,000 worth of Satu coin, about $900 worth in recent price, and I'll be giving a clear insight on how to do that. One basic thing about the wallet I would love to put to your mind is the ability to secure your assets and its efficient digital asset management with unique mechanism and a clear roadmap. And for more friends you invite that downloads the app and register under, you also get a free 3,000 worth of Satu coin. Without wasting time, let's take a clear view on how to get about this video. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others. So firstly, we would have to download their app for the wallet. As you can see right here, you can get this app on Google Play Store and also on iOS. So firstly, you download the app. Once you click on any of this icons showing right here, it takes you to Play Store, and also you can download the app through the link. But for me, I was having issue with downloading on Play Store, so I just downloaded through the link and clicked on download right here. So as you can see, it's downloading, and within some few seconds I had it ready and I installed it. Alright, so the next step is to go into the app after installed. As you can see, the app is looking clear and ready to use. So the first step you take is create a wallet with them by clicking on create wallet. As you can see, you agree to the terms and condition, and after that it takes you to this next part where you would set up a password with them. But have this in mind, this password is what you use to log in into the app anytime you want to log in. So right here, as you can see, as I just created the password, and this next part is really important for those who don't really know more about wallets. See this side, you have to generate a mnemonic phrase which will be used to confirm to log in into your wallet. So, and have this in mind, these phrases need to be kept safe, because these phrases in other people's hand would give them access into your wallet, and it's risky to your funds. It makes it easy for them to withdraw your funds. So make sure you keep this phrase safe. And the next thing to do right here is to, you copy the phrase, and also you'll be asked questions about the phrase to be sure you've copied it, and you input the phrase which was asked from you. So you can see it. I've done mine. It's imported successfully and I've been logged in. So right here in the video, you see it's still showing $0, and you can see the features of the app, a clear sight of other coin ready right here. You can see TRS, Satu coin, and other stuff. This is the part for TRX. So the next step you have to take is to click on invite showing up here. Once you click on invite, it takes you to where you put in the invitation code. So for me, I just put in so the code which you'll be putting is showing right here on the screen. As you can see, you can just memorize it, and once you want to open your account, you do the same thing. So once you put in the code and you see it has been successful, you go back to the main page. You can see the $900 ready, and if you look down here, you see the Satu coin worth 3,000 Satu coin. So clearly, this is how you get everything ready and prepares for them to list properly, and you'll be able to withdraw your total balance. And also, for more friends you invite, your balance will keep on increasing if they use your code which you send to them. And don't forget to click on the subscription button, like and share to others. Have a nice day, guys.